Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. Again, this is John, Jon space R dot period de la Cruz. Subscribe na po kayo mga kaibigan. Yan so East Ridge, in East San Jose, in California guys. Celebrating 50 years, 1970. See, 1971 pala. It was built in 1971. 2021. So 54 years na tong mall na to. Magsi-senior citizen na. Joke lang. Yeah. It's a nice mall, you know. It's by Evergreen. Yep. Na-renovate na to eh. I think renovated in, I'm not sure, but a few years ago. I think 2018, 2019. Tapos nakita ko sa website, binili ng in-check na may-ari. Kasi dati bali-balita, gigibayin na to. Alright guys, see? AMC Theaters. Yep, mahal dito. $21 ang movie. Sometimes it goes 25, I think, I'm not sure. Pero last time na nanood kami last year with my sister and my nephew, si Sean, nilibre nila ako. $7 Tuesday yata. Yeah. Or $8, yeah. So, ito yung mga open The Smashing Machine. Oh, damn, October 3. Dwayne Johnson. Darating kaya sa Pinas to. Ayan Oh, Pinch. Ang ganda Ay, mga bagong palabas. Ayan guys, Oh, Stitch Head. Halloween, gundo naman. Yep, so you guys just calculate $22 sa pesos. So alright guys, and then sa Pinas, in the Philippines is only like 400 pesos I think. Yes, sa SM. Alright guys, so sarado na sila kanina pa. Kaya nga yung gwardiya magagalang na yung mga gwardiya dito. Hindi na Allied Universal. So there you go guys, quick vlog. East Ridge Mall, San Jose, California guys. Yeah, may nag vlog na dito Alright guys, so hindi na ako papasok doon.